Cancer. Spirit says, you've carried the ocean long enough. Now let the tide carry you. This reading is your reminder that what's coming next isn't about effort. It's about grace. The blessings that once felt delayed are now aligning themselves naturally. You've done enough. You've proved enough. You've given more than enough. Now it's time to receive in ways your heart once thought were impossible. If you've been wondering when your energy will finally shift, Spirit is saying it already has. I'm Ira, and today we'll explore your new receiving timeline through the oracle messages that flow through this reading. We'll uncover what's unfolding for you, what's being healed, and how Spirit is making room for your abundance to find you. Stay till the end, because you'll also get a special yes or no divine check-in to help you make sense of your next step. Your first oracle shows a field after rain, drenched, still, but alive again. This energy represents emotional renewal. Cancer, you've been through a phase where everything demanded emotional labor, people, dreams, even healing itself. You gave, and you gave deeply. Spirit shows me a vision of your hands unclenching. You no longer need to hold so tightly to make things stay. In this phase, you are not the gardener working tirelessly to keep things alive. You are the soil itself, rich and ready to birth new growth naturally. This is your period of restoration. The universe is saying, you don't have to water what is already meant to bloom. You might notice your energy returning, your creativity reawakening, and small miracles showing up in the simplest ways. This is not a coincidence. It's alignment. The second oracle brings the image of a closed door that glows from underneath. This is opportunity waiting to meet you halfway. Cancer, this door symbolizes what has been forming in the unseen. For months, your manifestations have been ripening. They didn't vanish, they've been maturing. Spirit says the delay was divine. You weren't being ignored, you were being prepared. That job, that relationship, that shift in money, it's not just coming, it's coming with stability. You are now aligned with a timeline where everything that enters your life sustains you emotionally and spiritually. This time, you won't need to overgive to keep it. You've learned what balance feels like, and that lesson is now unlocking your blessings. The third oracle shows a phoenix made of soft light, not fire. Transformation without destruction. Cancer, this phase isn't about burning bridges or proving worth. It's about quiet rising. You've spent too long associating change with loss, but this time it's different. Spirit says your glow-up will come through peace, not chaos. You might feel drawn to slow living, to simplifying, to redefining what success even means to you. These aren't random moods, they're realignment signals. Your spirit no longer craves validation, it craves authenticity. And that shift is magnetizing abundance effortlessly. And speaking of this glow up, before we continue, your 2026 complete forecast is now available. It's a personal channeled look into your year ahead. Love, money, purpose, and the spiritual cycles that will define your transformation. For more details, check the description. Now, your fourth oracle comes as the energy of overflow. Spirit shows golden water filling a vessel that doesn't spill. Your energy is now self-sustaining. You are learning the balance between receiving and allowing. You may soon attract people who mirror this same emotional maturity. Relationships that pour back into you as you pour into them. The financial energy here is strong too. Unexpected inflow may arrive through things you already built, something you forgot about or didn't think could grow anymore. Spirit says, what you thought ended is about to multiply. As this energy rises, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe if this reading resonates. It helps me continue sharing more messages like this and keeps the energy exchange flowing. Your fifth oracle reveals a golden horizon, calm waters ahead. This is Spirit's final assurance. The storm wasn't meant to break you. It was meant to clear your sight. You can now trust that what's aligned won't require constant fixing or chasing. Peace is becoming your new normal. The universe is not asking you to work harder, it's asking you to trust deeper. You've done enough. Let yourself receive the love, the wealth, and the rest your spirit has been earning across lifetimes. Now, let's shift into your yes or no message. Close your eyes for a moment. Think of one question that's been pressing on your heart, something that holds emotional weight. Take a deep breath, feel it, and let your intuition bring that question to the surface. Spirit says, yes, but not yet. This delay is sacred. You're not being denied. You're being redirected toward a version of your dream that will fulfill you on all levels. What's meant for you is circling back stronger, clearer, and truly yours this time. Cancer, if this reading spoke to your soul, comment below what you're ready to receive. Let Spirit know you're open. Your affirmation: I no longer chase, I attract through peace. I trust that everything aligned with my highest good is already finding me.